Imagine waking up one day to realize that the richest people in your country are gone. Not in the headlines, not with loud announcements, but quietly. One flight at a time, one suitcase at a time. Welcome to the great Indian wealth exodus of 2025. A silent crisis that says more about our country than our economy reports ever will. I am Uma and this is Trendline Times where truth meets trend. If you are an Indian, this video is not just about the rich, it is about your future. Stay with me. According to global migration reports, over 6,500 millionaires left India in 2023. In 2024, that number crossed 8,000. Now in 2025, the projection is 10,000 plus high net worth Indians leaving the country. That's not just a number, that's a mass movement of India's richest minds, innovators, job creators, and investors gone. They are not just escaping to luxury, they are investing in second passports, golden visas, and citizenship by investing programs. Where are they going? Most of them are landing at Dubai. Dubai is now called Mini India. Apart from Dubai, they are going to Singapore, which is ultra rich, prefer it for safety and order. Then comes Portugal. They offer easy residency for investment. Further, Australia, which is known for lifestyle and education. Finally, USA, still a dream for tech entrepreneurs. Why? Because these countries offer something India does not: predictability, low tax, safety, and global access. Why are they leaving India? Let's get brutally honest. These are the 5 unspoken reasons India's millionaires are leaving. Number 1, tax terror, high taxation plus frequent policy changes. Number 2, family safety, political instability, law and order concerns. Number 3, education. They want their children in top global schools. Number 4, wealth preservation, global assets, lower estate taxes. Number 5, freedom from red tape, easier to grow wealth abroad. One millionaire was quoted saying, "I love India, but India does not love me back." That says everything. Let's see what would be the impact on you and me. What happens when the rich leave? Less job creation, brain drain of innovation and capital, lower domestic investments, and emotionally it tells the middle class, even those with all the power and money, do not feel safe here. So, how should you feel? The great Indian millionaire exit is not just about the rich leaving. It is a signal, a trend line, a message that our system needs repair, that security and respect matter more than just rupees, that loyalty cannot be demanded, it must be earned. And now I ask you, if you had 100 crore in your bank, would you stay in India or would you go to? Tell me in the comments. I'm Uma, this is Trendline Times, and remember that trends you ignore today might shape your destiny tomorrow. Like, share and subscribe. The truth needs a voice and your voice matters.